Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm going to teach you how to style your map layers in Mapify. Let's go over to Mapify's Layers tab on the left and click this one named Buildings by Floors. This layer was built using a dataset with New York buildings and their respective number of floors. If we preview this layer right now, it's hard to reach any conclusions since all buildings look the same. Everything is pink, even though we know the number of floors varies according to the selected building. Therefore, we're going to go back to the styling options and select Style by Number of Floors. It's very easy to create rules to paint our map and improve readability. We start with Rule 1, which is designed for one floor only, and we will paint this dark green. Then Rule 2 for 2 floors, and we will paint it in a lighter green. We keep going according to the level of detail we want to achieve in our layer styling and how we want to present the number of floors in the map. When you're done, click Preview, and there you go. The buildings are colored according to the rules you set previously.